You want to be able to email the results of your custom GPTs to any email without any copy paste. Let me show you how. So when OpenAI released their custom GPTs, everyone's making custom GPTs. They're fantastic. You can upload documents. You can chat with stuff. This is great. But the actions function is actually pretty good, but the documentation is awful. Using ChatGPT, I've been able to build this. Let me show you what I've built. Before we start, you need a paid GPT account so you have access to the GPTs. And you also need a sendgrid account. I'm sure this will work with any email service, but you just need a sendgrid account. So I'm not going to go into details about how to create a sendgrid account. Go sign up, create an account. You could probably just get away with using the free one. But important to remember, you have to validate your email, your domain. So this requires some DNS stuff. There's plenty of guides I don't need to show you. But you need that because you need the API. Next step, GPTs. So in this case, I have just created a basic prompt helper GPT. Very straightforward. I've called it prompty, give a description, and you just step through the standard steps that GPT takes you through. And I've uploaded a document. But actions is where we want. So we're going to click on the actions. Now, if you go to blog.bongocat.ai, you'll see this code. All you have to do is copy and paste this code into this section, and it will automatically come up with this information. Then you go and get your API key, click on here, API key, enter it and add it as a bearer. And that's it. That's all you need to do. And then I'll show you what it can do. I've said, give me a prompt about creating prompts. Great. It's done it. This could have been in a chat of back and forth. Now I have what I want. All I have to do is email this to hello@bongocat.ai. That's it. It'll now communicate with SendGrid. So you see allow, and there you go. As you can see, server problems. It's really struggling, but it's been sent. I now have the email, has just come into my email inbox. So I did this because I want to know more about how the actions work. But just to show you that if you have access to an API or something like that, you can get it to do more information without having to create a plugin and all of that sort of thing. So this is just third-party API I've done, and off it has gone. Something to be aware. Don't make this public, because if you make it public, then you're going to be paying all of the email sending costs, and that could be very, very expensive.